Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix country or region option not showing in App Store. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you want to change your country or region and you're not showing the option, so let's see how going to fix the issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you are connected to a strongest in network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular. So here you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings and then wait for your network until it connects. And then you just have to go for settings, go for general, go for VPN and device management, and you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. And once you have checked your VPN, you just have to go back and retry. If you're still having the same issue, you have to try to update your software and you have to try to manage your iPhone storage. Here, go for iPhone storage, and you have to also make sure that you have almost 10 GB free to use your iPhone. Then you just have to go back and go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode here, and then select the reset network setting from the confirmation pop-up, and all of your network setting will be resetted. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. And then you have to open your App Store app again, and then tap on your profile in the top right corner, tap on your account, and here you have to log in with your account. You just have to enter your Apple account password. Once you have entered, you have to tap on the sign in option here, and then you just have to wait for the next screen. And here it will almost fix the issue. You will get the country or region option here, or if you are still having the same issue, you have to go back, open your settings, and here you have to close all recent apps and open settings, tap on your Apple ID, and here select media and purchases, select view account, and here you just have to enter your password or you have to verify with your Face ID, and once you have done, you will get the country origin option here. You can change your country origin option from there. So in this way, you can easily fix if you are having issue that your country origin option is not showing in your app store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.